got Jimmy out here being a real trooper. Look at this. Out here in the pond. Look at this. He's going for this. There's a lure. Here he goes. What a hero.
Oh, there we go. Wow, I missed him. Oh, oh. He's still tipping. Let's see what this is. Hopefully we can get it. Oh, got him. Oh, this is a nice one. What is this? 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 Please get out of here. Looks like. Welcome back to the channel. Water Rat Lyle here. So fishing's been really bad. Last few weeks haven't been posting anything. So hopefully we'll get back to the basics. Go for a small fish today. The sun's bright. Forgot my glasses. So right through here is the entranceway to a creek. So we're gonna go, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but there is a tiny spillway right through here. We're gonna fish that. Caught bluegill, warmouth, largemouth, channel cat, chubs, sucker chubs, mullets, all kinds of stuff in this little creek. So let's go get it. So this is where we'll be fishing today, guys and girls. Fish this little spillway. There is a upper little deeper area up there we might get to hit today too. Water is cold at the top. It's not so cold down here. It's a little warm. So I'm gonna go around here. Whoa. So, we got nightcrawler and corn today. I got 2 poles with me only. I've caught a lot of fish out of this, mostly panfish, but still a lot of fun. I did have to go buy some night crawlers. It's been raining a lot the last few weeks, but I haven't been able to get out and get some night crawlers. So I'm gonna keep this jig head on here. Throw that in there. Put me a night crawler on. We'll put the whole thing on, screw it. There we go. Got 1/16 ounce jig heads on here, or on here, head, jig head. I'll let that sit right here. I'm gonna hook this pole up with a floater. So I use, when I'm bait fishing or small fishing, I usually use one of these smaller floaters like this, a Thrill. And these things, any kind of extra movement that's not normally in your water. I gotta reline this pole. I haven't used it in a few years, but I am using a Quantum Drive. I do believe I picked this up at Bass Pro. This is a 6.6 medium fast, the rod reel combo. But as I was saying, always use these light floaters just because it's easier to detect a hit versus the current or getting stuck on a rock or anything. Okay, let's get a little piece of worm. Really hope we can catch something, because it's been a struggle. Like I said in the intro, I've been fishing probably 3 or 4 times a week and just get barely any small little dinkers. I'm not sure what's going on. Talking to my buddy in Florida, he said the same stuff's going on down there. So, see if we can get anything. Oh, already. Fish, oh, fish on, was on. Didn't even waste no time. So I'm fishing about 1.5 feet deep. I'm trying to figure out where they're at. So, oh, that wasn't good. Man, I missed the first freaking bite. Let me get another chance at it. Oh, there we go. Wow, I missed him. Oh, oh. He's still tipping. Let's see what this is. Hopefully we can get it. Oh, got him. Oh, this is a nice one. What is this? 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 Please get out of here. Yeah. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Don't get stuck in nothing. It's a channel cat or a carp. Looks like a carp that time. Oh, no. Don't go in the rocks. Swim me back. Come on. Get out of there. Get out of there. Please get out of there. Please get out of there. He's coming up to me now. Oh, it's a good carp. Nice. Man, I needed this. Come here, little fella. Okay, okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. I get you. Yeah. Fish on, boys and girls. Come on, slow down a little bit. Standing in the water, catching carp. He's freaking hooked pretty good. So, let's get him up here. Gotcha. Don't do it. No, 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 no. I got you. There, it's out. See? I got you. It's out. All right. There it is. This is awesome. This is so much fun. Let her go. Come on. There you go. Get your gas back. There she goes. Come on. There she goes. All right, we're back on. Got it in the water. Check. All right, let's go back. Seeing what's messing with the floater. Got him. Almost. Nice. Little warmouth. Well, I was going to show you to him, but there's two. Nice. Got him. Oh, that feels like a gooder one. Feels like a gooder one. Oh yeah, it's way better. This is great, great shovelhead fish. Fishing bait. Oh my gosh, Jimmy. Oh, I was going to show you the colors and stuff on him, but we gotta get another one. That was a good one too to see. He's a little warmouth. I call him warmouth or green sunfish, or see, here's a little tiny one. So I call him warmouth. So I call them warmouth just because they're aggressive, and then this little, well, I call it war paint, but hey, knock it off, hold still. You're in your Hollywood film here. But then they got orange all over it, if you guys can see that. Hold still. They got orange on the tips of their tails, like the back of their fins right here. Not the whole top fin, but just the back part, and then this whole bottom part, and then the tip of their tail. The other one that I just lost, the big one, I was going to show you, you can really see it, but hopefully I can get a little bit bigger one, and I'll show you what you can see it better on the bigger ones. I want to go down and fish that where them trees are. I'll show you. See where that. There's a big old root system and a half a tree sitting right there. I want to go fish that. So we're going to move. Got him. Fish on. Another little warmouth. Ah, I came off. I literally just walked through all that water and they're already back. That's how aggressive they are. I really hope you can hear me. Swam in my foot. On my foot. Ah, he came off. That looked like a baby largemouth. Oh my goodness. I'm missing him now. Got it. Oh, this feels like a good one. Oh, here we go. That's just a regular bluegill though. Of course, it's a bigger one. Not what I was going to show you guys. You guys are dirty. You guys see the orange and stuff on him? So all right here on the back fin, and this fin right here, then the little tip right there. People call it green sunfish or whatever. I call it, like I said, I call it a warmouth just because of the teal around its face. Looks like war paint to me. He's got like a little red ear. The bigger they are, the brighter these colors are. This is a little bit brighter so you guys can see, hopefully. Pretty cool. Here he goes. Alright, I'm gonna end the video there, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I've been working my butt off as I'm walking out of this creek. I've been working my butt off. Also trying to get you guys content. I've been fishing 5 or 6 times in the last few weeks, and I've just been getting small dinker bass and little bluegill. So I decided to come to the creeks in a little baby spilling way and try to give you guys content. We got a nice sized carp today, so that was a lot of fun. A bunch of bluegills and stuff. I may cut some of them out, put in some of the fish that I caught in earlier trips before this one. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate you guys watching and all the support I'm getting. It's been way more than I ever thought of. Taking the time out of your day, it really means a lot. If you want to see more from this creek and we can venture on down, get a little bit more time, then let me know in the comments below. Until then, see you next time. Got him. You little dinker.
Little fish stick.
Hey, how many fish sticks you got?
About 6.
Yeah, right. Hey. He ate that Berkeley, I think it's plum color with the blue specks on it. Come across the top of the moss. I thought my GoPro was on, but it wasn't, so apologize, but there's our first fish. Derek.
Nice.
Oh, I got him. This is a good one. Oh, he was up underneath the freaking tree. No, I got him. Little dinkers. But it beats a no fish at all. Raise that line up. Or bring that line to me somehow or something. I see where the freaking branch is under the brake. Ah, dang it. These things weren't freaking thorns already.
I want to see you get all the way out there on that thing, dude.
I just want to grab this.
Water rat Lyle coming to the rescue, guys. Out here, this is the real world stuff behind the scenes.
Real world stuff behind the scenes of a YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. Who knows if this will get posted or not?
I don't know if I'm gonna get all the way out there.
Hey, man, if you do, you're, like I said, you're a trooper either way.
And I want to be a hero, bro.
Well,
Ow! Friendly, family friendly video.
you're right.
I'm running out of my standing point.
How deep is the water?
I don't know. I'm standing on the log, so I couldn't tell.
Try just to stand up. You might be.
Huh?
Try to see if you can put your foot down and touch.
Oh, yeah, and then drop 25 feet.
I'm just saying, see. You never know. See if you can touch.
No.
What if you're right there though? What if you can touch?
There's no way. I'm freaking 20 feet off the back.
I don't know, man. I have faith. I have some faith. You put your feet down, I think you can touch the bottom for sure.
I can't tell if that's a tree or not. I don't know, bro.
Lift it up.
I'm gonna say no. That's up to you.
Yeah, especially if you.
That'd be up to the GoPro mount.
Hey, that'd be some real
And
good. That'd be a real good thumbnail, you know. That'd be a real good thumbnail. What you gonna do it for the fans?
Where in the heck is that freaking branch?
Jimmy out here being a real trooper. Look at this. Out here in the pond. Look at this. He's going for this. There's a lure. Here he goes. What a hero. Look at this. I got my lure stuck.
Oh, come here.
And he's out here on this freaking branch. I can't zoom out any further currently. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This man.
I got a Charlie horse.
Freaking hero, dude. Wow.
If you catch one, that'd be great.
That would be the highlight of the channel. Here he goes climbing back. Let's see what he has. Stability is key here. He's going for the bold tactic of just stability straight. He makes it. Wow. That's worth the subscribe right there, folks. Seen it here first. Water out loud.
I think I got him. Oh yeah, he's there. Oh, stay out of the tree. Stay out of the tree. Oh yeah.
Nice snag, bro.
Huh?
Nice snag.
No. Boat flip. It's the biggest one of the day.
Good fish though. Yeah, heck yeah, bro.
Heck yeah. Nice.
They're starting to hit that top water a bunch right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.